How to enable private account on Instagram. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. And before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let's continue with the tutorial. So first things first, you go to the Instagram account that you want to make private. In my case, let's say I want to make this account private. So all you have to do is click on the menu, which is available on the top right corner. And once you're here, you go to settings. And once you're in settings, you go to privacy, since making it a private account has something to deal with its privacy. And once you're here, you can see it nice and clear, an option for you to convert this account into a private account. All you have to do is check on this option, switch to private, and that's it. For anyone to interact with your followers or view your posts, they will have to send a request to you and you will have to approve them. And that's how private accounts work. I hope you know this already, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below on what next video we should make, and yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Thank you.